Ayan, lumalakas na ulit yung falsetto.
Alam mo yung...
Naku, yan na naman.
Meron akong ginagawa.
Minimix mo eh.
Minimix ko.
Oo.
Pero maano siya, yung experience. Ang hirap kasi ituro nun eh.
Masakit sa ulo.
Hindi mo sa ulo pinapadaan. So it's the nasal.
I'm not very nasal kasi. I'll try that.
That's my ano. And then,
That was happening to me.
naka-burden ka pa dyan.
Nandiyan pa ako, oo.
Push mo pa sa ulo.
No, that one was happening to me. Oh nga, nandito. If I don't believe in paradise,
Para ka Messi Paul.
miracles are real. Can someone tell me what is this I feel? Oh, I wanna believe it. I love you, Regine! Another favorite!
For, of course, the megastar, Sharon Cuneta, and our other cover girl, of course, is Regine Velasquez. You know, these two women are indeed icons, not only in the music industry, but of course, the showbiz. And we've shot them many times. They graced our print covers many times. Actually, they also graced the cover of our special edition, which is a book that we did during our 25th anniversary, and it was called Mega Iconic. So basically, the theme of the shoot is really inspired by Richard Avedon's photography. It's the fashion is very femme fatale, and they're wearing a lot of, you know, strong silhouettes, tailoring, bold red lips, and winged eyeliner. The look can be classic and at the same time iconic, which is also, I think, very in line with their personalities. Because, you know, these two women have really achieved longevity in the industry. People find them still very aspirational, and, you know, they're always relevant for us as well, because the idea of them being together is also iconic. It hasn't been done before. That's why when we heard about, you know, the news that they were gonna have a concert, it was unexpected but anticipated, because, you know, they are both icons in the music industry, and they both have ardent fans, supporters, who I know what, you know, wished for this pairing a long time ago, and it's finally happening, and we're so glad to be able to capture that moment, to mark, you know, this milestone with them. And what better way to celebrate it with a memento like this, like a shoot. Relationship with Mega, you know, she has graced the cover many times. Back in the day when Sari was still at the helm of the magazine, Sharon really epitomized that mega woman, that accomplished lady who's of course beautiful, talented, but with a purpose as well. She was the example many women look up and aspire to be. She has been a part of Mega as well, you know. It started with Sharon, and Casey is also, you know, a Mega baby, and then now her younger sister, Frankie, also recently just graced our cover. I feel like we always try to capture the generations of the Cuneta Pangilinan women with Mega. We always try to, you know, capture them in different stages in their lives. So, you know, it's really quite a privilege to be able to do that with them.
If not the Sarah Martinez.
I'm happy. I'm just happy I'm with her.
Same.
Every moment that I get to be with her, I treasure it.
Me also, because you know, I think that the more time we have spent together, the closer we have become. And I've never loved her more than I do now. I mean, especially on a personal level. On a professional level, I've always been a fan, a super admirer, and I have, my God, tremendous respect for this lady's talent. And this is a dream come true for me. So everything that we've been doing for the promo of our concerts, every minute has been fun, has been something to treasure. And
it's so easy to work with you.
Super
Kasi
easy
parang
to work with you.
nothing, Like even with our meeting, with, the choice. Kasi normally, dun ka magkakaroon ng medyo konting...
Not problems,
Wala naman,
pero
parang konting...
mahirapan ng konti.
Oo, mahirapan ng konti. But even with the songs, we didn't have problems. Sabi
Kasi-
niya, basta kung ano gusto
Kung
ni
anong gusto
Regina.
ni Regina,
Ako
yun ang
rin.
gawin natin. Ganun lang.
Kung anong gusto ni Ate Shaw. But it's nice to be able to experience this.
Tsaka parang every minute I spend with you is always, it's so effortlessly fun. Fun. Super, we get along, I think also, there's genuine friendship and love there. That's very rare in show business, and I found a friend in Rich. Nauna lang si Ogie ng maraming taon, dahil di pa kita kilala nung di ka pa kumakanta.
Bilang.
pero, I never thought, but I always wish that we would become close. So,
But we are.
we are now, super duper. I love her so much, and she's teaching me so much. In terms of singing, she's helping me bring out what she thinks I've always had,
But you're not
did not
using.
use. Yeah. So, and she's teaching me that, and then when I do it, oh my God, I learned something new na naman from her. Parang ganon. So, I'm hoping that we don't get sick, especially me, my immune system is
In
so-
Jesus' name.
In Jesus' name, yeah. For the concerts, we will give our best. I'll remember everything she's taught me, and I will just have the most fun, siguro, performing because it's with somebody I really respect and truly love. And it's not a singing contest. Who's gonna win against this woman? No, but it's gonna be a celebration of two different styles coming together that many Filipinos have come to love separately, and now they're gonna see those two styles come together. That's what we're so excited about.
No, and it's not about o sinong mangingibabaw sa number na to. It's not about that. In all of the shows that I've done with other artists, it was never about that.
Puro ibang style.
Oo.
Paano niya kakantahin yun pag siya? Ganun.
You make each other shine.
Yes.
Anong tawag dyan? You complement each other.
And you support and encourage
You
each other.
blend together.
Yeah.
And it's a team. It's our concert. It's not just mine.
You're an excellent blender.
I'm a blender.
Super.
Super.
And I'm super obedient. I'm a better follower than a leader. Always been.
Hindi, perfect pitch ka, ano ka?
Oy, parang
Wala.
siya, hindi.
Perfect.
Hindi, nagpa-flat ako pag, di ba when you're sinisipon or inuubo,
But you know.
nabibingi ka.
But
And
that's
I know,
it, you know.
I did a flat there.
Love it.
Yeah, kasi parang with permission to
Hindi,
be
tsaka
smart.
Yes, exactly. And we don't naman normally do this. We don't
Yeah.
get to be glammed up this way.
Tsaka
may mga
to post
paabala.
in, oo.
May mga
oo.
nag-aabala-abala. Gusto ko yun.
Tsaka may poses tayo mga fierce na hindi namin nagagawa sa mga normal pictorials, di
Biglang
ba?
mga taga mababang paaralan.
Oh, yan. Gano'n naman.
Hindi
Hindi,
halata
ito,
ngayon, hindi halata.
parang feeling namin fashionistas kami.
Pang mayaman?
Pang mayaman, social. So parang it's such a nice break for
Yes.
me, ha? I like mga trying out new things. Parang may lisensya tayo to model.
To model.
Diba? To be like other cover girls na hindi singers.
Yeah, I've always have fun doing photo shoots like this. Kasi nga, we don't get to do this naman all the time. Plus, we get to wear clothes that we
Yeah.
normally don't naman do. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, Susan na naman. Susie and Jeno.
Cassie and Mavi.
Is there.
Always has the best concepts because
Yes.
they're such a they've been around forever. My only regret is that Sari Yap is not here
Yeah.
today. We missed her by a few weeks. I've known Sari since 1992, I think, or 93, my first cover for Mega. I know, but she's
But
here watching
yeah,
over her
she's here.
kids and happy that we're shooting this. But everyone in Mega, they've always been and they always are so sweet and nice and supportive. They never make you feel like you're out of place.
Yeah,
They
true.
don't alienate you, di ba?
True.
And they're nakakatuwa pag nagpalakpakan na, they're maganda yung post.
Mga bakla.
Na-appreciate kami.
Appreciate namin.
Pag Becky.
Hindi, tsaka they always think of what to do with us kasi parang
Iba.
yung parang nararamdaman mo yung respeto as an artist kasi iniisipan talaga nila ng bonggang-bongga yung concept.
Oo, maiba.
na
Oo.
to fit us.
Right.
It's
Saka what's so special is this is the first cover we're doing together.
Yes.
Cover for a fashion magazine na high-end. So, hindi lang pang promo. It's really it was well
Pang-sports pa.
it was well conceptualized.
Yes,
So,
yes.
we're excited.
Yep.
Love you.